In this video, I will be showing you how to use Canva Dreamlab. Let's get started. I'll begin by heading over to the left sidebar and clicking on the app's icon. From here, I'll select Dreamlab to open up the generation tool. Now I'll click into the prompt box and describe exactly what I want to see. In this case, a high-end Mediterranean meal with natural lighting. To customize the look, I'll open the Style menu and browse through the options until I find the perfect fit. I'll also adjust the aspect ratio to a square 1:1 format. Now, I'll click the Generate button and let the tool work its magic. As the images load, you can see how it captures the textures and colors of the food perfectly. Next, I want to try a different concept, so I'll clear the prompt and enter a description for a catchy 3D isometric logo. I'll keep the aspect ratio on the square setting and hit Generate once more. These results are sleek and modern, showing just how versatile this tool can be for branding. Finally, let's go for something more imaginative. I'll paste in a prompt for a magical floating library filled with shimmering winged books. To give it an extra artistic touch, I'll change the style to creative. After clicking Generate, I'll wait for the tool to bring this fantasy scene to life. The results are stunning, with incredible detail and a soft, golden glow that really captures the whimsical feel I was looking for. It's amazing how quickly you can go from a simple idea to a professional-grade visual. Now, you're ready to start experimenting with your own prompts and styles in Canva Dreamlab.